Hello, 11th standard business max students. Welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. In exercise 1.2, sum number 7, they have given a determinant as A inverse and they asked to find A. Okay, and it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Actually, from A we get A inverse, but now they have given A inverse. Now we can write it as A inverse, the whole inverse equal to A. This is known fact. But here, when we find out the inverse for the inverse, it will be confusing for us. So, I am going to write let A inverse equal to B. I am going to name it as B. Now, taking inverse on both sides. A inverse, the whole inverse will be B inverse. Now, without brackets also you can write B inverse. So this A inverse I am going to name it as B. And now we are going to proceed. And this is going to be A inverse, the whole inverse you will get A. Therefore A equal to B inverse. So when you find inverse of matrix B, you get it as A. Okay. Let this be as it is. Now we will proceed with our inverse. How to find out inverse? We know that to find out inverse, we have got the 4 steps. First step, determinant B not equal to 0. Second step, cofactor matrix, it is B, isn't it? Instead of A, you are going to write it as Bij. And third step is going to be adjoint B. And fourth and final step is going to be your B inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant B into adjoint B. So all A I have written it as B. That's the only difference, but nothing else. Now first step is going to be our determinant B. Okay, what is determinant B? We are going to expand this to R1. So our sign convention plus, minus and plus. So taking our first element 1, minus 0 and 3, you get the 3 minus 3, isn't it? Okay, now taking the first row, isn't it? So first column and the first row you tell it, you get the minus as 1, minus 1 and minus 1, 1. Okay, and second one is 0, so you need not write the minor because 0 into anything gives you 0. Now we shall directly go to our third element 3. So we are going to eliminate the first row and the third column, and your minor is going to be 2, 1, 1 and minus 1. So only these two alone is enough if we calculate. So now we are going to expand this minor. So what will you get? 1 into 1 minus into minus plus and 1 minus 0 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1. This also becomes 0. 1 minus 1 0. This also gets eliminated. This also gets eliminated. So the answer is going to be 3 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 9, which is not equal to 0. Therefore B inverse exists. Now coming to our second step. Since this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, we are going to do our cofactor matrix. Okay. Next second step is going to be Bij. For that sign convention, you know that. Now this I am going to copy and paste it here. Okay. So that it will easy for us to find out our cofactor matrix. As you know, for the cofactor matrix, you are going to put the 9 minus with the sign convention. So first row, first minor, second minor and our third minor. Now going to the second row, first minor, second minor and our third minor. Now coming to the third row, first minor, second minor and third minor. Now put the sign plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is going to be our Bij. Now we can start with our first row. First row, first element, so eliminate the first row and the first column and your minor, or you can directly write the minor from the determinant of B. Okay, first one. And for the second one, you haven't written, isn't it? So here you are going to write for the second one also. It's going to be 0, but still we have to write the minor because it's 3 cross 3 and 9 minus you have got. Okay, even if it is 0, we will mention the minus. So 2 minus 1 and 1, 1. Okay, then for the third one, you're going to go to your third element in the first row. So eliminating your third column and first row, you get the minor as 2, 1, 1 minus 1. Now coming to your second row, eliminate your second row and your first column because first element, and you get the minor as 0, 3, minus 1 and 1. Now coming to our second element, eliminating the second column, you get the minor as 1, 3, 1, 1. Now coming to the third one, so eliminating the third column and the second row, you get the minor as 1, 0, 1, minus 1. Okay, now coming to our third row, so eliminating our third row, first element, your minor is going to be 0, 3, 1, minus 1. Similarly, going with your second element, so you have to eliminate your second row, second column and the last row, you get the minor as 1, 3, 2, minus 1. Now the last element, so you are going to eliminate your last column and last row, and your minor is 1, 0, 2, 1. Now expanding this, you get it as plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus minus 2 minus 1. Second row, minus outside, 0 plus 3 plus 1 minus 3 and minus 1 minus 0. Third row, plus is outside, 0 minus 3 minus 1 minus 6 plus 1 minus 0. Now simplifying this, you get our, what is this? This is our Bij, isn't it? So what will you get after simplifying here? It is first element is 0, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 7 and 1. Now for this you have to take the cofactor matrix. Now you have, this is the cofactor matrix. You have to take the, for getting adjoint B, you are going to write the transpose of this cofactor matrix. So it is going to be row into column. So 0, minus 3, minus 3. Second row, minus 3, minus 2, 1. And the third row, minus 3, 7 and 1. So this is going to be your adjoint B. Okay. Now B inverse. What is the formula for B inverse? 1 by determinant B into adjoint B. Okay. And for B, determinant B, we have got the value as minus 9. So your B inverse is going to be 1 by minus 9 into adjoint B, 0, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 7, minus 3, 1, 1. And you take this minus inside, you will get it as 1 by 9 into 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 minus 7 plus 3 minus 1 minus 1. This is nothing but equal to B. So you have got your final answer as this. Thank you.